development worldwide, including in non-Muslim countries, and it has been alluded very well by the chairman and the other learned speakers before me. Major financial markets exhibit solid evidence that Islamic finance has already been mainstreamed parallel to the global financial system, and that it has the potential to address the challenges of ending the extreme poverty and boosting the shared prosperity. Islamic finance is equity-based, asset-backed, ethical, sustainable, environmentally and socially responsible finance. Ladies and gentlemen, it promotes risk sharing, connects the financial sector with the real economy, and emphasizes financial inclusion, as Governor State Bank has alluded, and social welfare. The sustainable development of Islamic finance offers considerable benefits for economic growth. Islamic finance can significantly contribute to economic development given its direct linkage to physical assets and the real economy. I would throw a new idea on this, rather an important thought of mine. In my opinion, it deters the artificial leveraging of the financial facilities without having backed by the real assets, and ultimately leading to the market's crash and global financial crisis. You may recall Black Monday. You may recall 2007-8 economic crisis, because the leveraging is without the asset backing. The fundamental principle of the Islamic finance is it has to be backed by a real asset. Otherwise, so that means it deters for the borrower to speculate and to borrow without having a tangible backing, which is obviously the security for the lender. So I would say a few words about landscape of the global finance industry. Ladies and gentlemen, according to the Islamic Finance Development Report 2022, there are 1,679 Islamic financial institutions, including 560 Islamic banks operating in 76 countries with a total asset size of 4 trillion and with year-on-year growth of 17%. Overall, Islamic Finance Development Indicators, IFDI, projects the global Islamic finance industry to grow to $5.9 trillion by 2026 from US $4 trillion in 2021, mainly driven by its biggest segments, Islamic banks and Sukuk. For the Islamic finance industry, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa, and Jordan seem to be on the top. We are thriving hard to significantly enhance Pakistan's share, and I'm confident that with the help of all of you and His Excellency and the professionals and the technical experts, we will be able to achieve this objective, inshallah. On the knowledge indicator, Indonesia and Malaysia rank first with its widespread efforts on both education and research. Saudi Arabia stands, according to my information, third, followed by Bahrain and Pakistan. In South Asia, 2 of the 10 microfinance banks are in Pakistan, alhamdulillah, which have started offering Islamic services. Few words about Islamic financial system in Pakistan as of now. Pakistan has a strategic plan in place to develop Islamic finance. This subject is very close to my heart. In the last tenure, I tried my best. If you recall, we introduced in the country a system, and a very high-powered committee in State Bank of Pakistan in 2013-2017, and it did give dividends. According to the data provided to me by Honorable Governor State Bank, almost 21% of the banking sector has already been converted into Islamic.